When your mortgage is coming due for renewal, it's often a good time maybe to sit down and do some mortgage planning with your mortgage broker. A lot of times people just call and say, hey, what are the rates out there? But don't forget, you've just gone through 5 years. Values on your home have probably increased 20, 30, 40%, even more in some cases. And maybe the next 5 years doesn't look the same as it previously did. Maybe there's going to be some renovations, the family's growing. Maybe there'll be look at buying a secondary property. Maybe there's going to be a move in the future, a move up. So, at renewal time, it's easy just to think, hey, rates, let me just call and see what the rates are out there because I got my renewal statement from my bank. But that's a good time to actually sit down and do some long-term planning. Look at what you're going to do kind of 12 months, 3 years, 5 years out, and make sure that you're in the right product because it's your only time you're going to be sort of open or a free agent, as we like to call it. After that, you're going to be locked in again, and your flexibility to do things is not going to be there. So, when you start thinking renewal, don't just think interest rates and terms. Maybe think, what does the next little, short and long-term periods look like for me and my family? And if there is the possibility of one of those things I mentioned earlier, you may want to sit down and make sure you're in the right product because it's getting more and more difficult, and you don't want to be in the middle of the term trying to negotiate with your bank. Thank you very much.